Hello guys, and welcome back again to another OSO tutorial. In this video I will show you how to watch your friends replays. First of all, you gotta go to OSO and open it, click on play, and then first of all you have to click on multi. From here you can add your friends and talk to other users by searching them on here and do whatever you want, like search for your friend and clicking on them and start chatting or add a friend. After doing so, you can start spectating them live on like whatever they do. You can see their performance, or you can go back, click on OSO, and then play, click on solo, and from here you can, for example, I forgot to tell you that, but you have to both of you have to have the same, have to get the same music. For example, if you have this little knight, if your friend doesn't have the same music and doesn't have the same if he has it and didn't play it, you will not see his replay. So make sure that he has it and he already played it, and then you can from clicking on here, and then from this bar in here you can click on it, and then friend ranking. For me, I don't have really a friend that plays this mode, but if you had someone, you will be able to click on it. After clicking on it, you will be able to see this list like that. After it, you can just click on anyone. Like, let's say for example that this is my friend and I'm going to click on it, and after that you can open this page and click on flashback. After that, you will see his full performance, and if he did any mistakes, you can laugh at him, record it, and send it to him, and make some memes about it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next tutorial.